I've been doing business continuity planning now for more than 15 years across 4 different continents. I've provided this to a range of companies across many different industries. I've covered the telecommunications industry, banking, finance, manufacturing, tourism, transport, logistics and so on, many others. I've provided this across 4 different continents now, and I've done this for various different disaster types. So I've covered pandemics, fires, bombs, terrorist attacks, IT disasters and so on. And of course, of particular note in Thailand right now, I've done floods. I've written my own manual for business continuity planning and training that goes along with that. And when we provide business continuity planning to our clients, we provide all of that material with it. Coverage has been providing services here in Bangkok now for 7 years. We provide a range of services, including our business continuity work. We provide software, which comes from our Australian partner, Infocom Software Proprietary Limited. And we also provide a large outsourcing service now. We have more than 70 employees, mainly in our outsourcing business, scattered across Bangkok on a daily basis. We pride ourselves on being very flexible, being very innovative and being very quick to respond to our customers' needs. Our job is to make our clients' life easier.